Morning student, I welcome you all for today's maths online session. In the last session, we have completed multiplication and division. Today we are going to see a new topic, that is the 4 operation together. What is mean by the 4 operation together? If the question is given and in that more than one operation you have to do, at that time what you have to see, which operation first you have to do. So today I'm going to tell you what you have to do while such types of questions arises. So first see what is mean by DMAS, DMAS. What is mean by that? See, D means what? Division, then M means multiplication, A means addition, and S means subtraction. This is the first and best rule which you have to follow while doing such type of operation. See, we will see the more example, then you will understand it better. Now, the first example is here, 10 plus 8 divided by 4 minus 2 multiplied by 6. Now, see this rule carefully. First, which operation you have to do? Division. So, when the question is given, first you have to see where is the division. See, this one is division. So, this 10 will remain as it is plus. So, 8 divided by 4 is 4 2s are 8. Then minus 2 multiplied by 6, it will remain as it is. Then next what is, which operation is there? Multiplication. So you have to go for multiplication. Where is that? Here. So 10 plus 2 remain as it is, minus 6 plus 2, 6 multiplied by 2 is 6 2s are 12. Now see, next operation is addition. Then first you have to do addition. 10 plus 2 is 12 and this minus 12 as it is. And last operation is subtraction. So 12 minus 12 is 0. So this is your answer. Understood? We'll see the next example. 8 plus 12 minus 6 multiplied by 2. Now see, in this example, first division is there, but division is not given in this problem. So directly you have to go for multiplication. So where is the multiplication? See here. So 8 plus 12 will remain as it is, minus 6 2s are 12. Now next operation is addition. So 12 plus 8, 20 minus 12. So here is last is subtraction. 20 minus 12 is 8. So this is your answer. Understanding? So this rule is very important while you are doing such type of operation. If you are doing first addition, then multiplication, then division, then subtraction, your answer will be totally wrong. So you have to go through this rule only. See, question number third one. 3 plus 40 divided by 10 minus 3. Now you understood which operation you have to do first, that is division. So 3 plus, in table of 10, 14 is at 4 number. So answer is 4 minus 3. Then you have to do addition. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 minus 3. So what is 7 minus 3 is 4. So answer is 4. Understanding? See, fourth one, 14 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 2 minus 16 divided by 2. What you have to do? First you have to do division. So remaining will be remain as it is. Now see what you have to do. Then here 3 multiplication is there. So 14 will be remain as it is. 7 2s are 14 minus 8. Now again you have to do the multiplication of these and minus 8 will remain as it is. Now you don't know the table of 14 multiplied by 14. You can do like this on rough page. 4 4s are 16. So 6 will be here, 1 will be carry. 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5. Here will be 0, 1 4s are 4, 1 1s are 1. So 6, 5 plus 4 is 9. And 1. So what is the answer? 196. Then again what you have to do? 196 minus 8. So 6 minus 8 is possible? No. So what you have to do? Here take one borrow from 9. So here will be 16. Here will be 8. And borrow is, so what? 16 minus 8 is 8. Here will be 8 and here will be 1. So your answer is 188. Understood? Now see fifth example. Here is again no division is there. So directly you have to go for multiplication. So 3 multiplications are there. Here also multiplication is there. So 2 4s are 8 multiplied by 6 minus 6 2s are 12. Now see 6 8s are 54. Sorry, 48. 48 minus 12. So you have to do the subtraction. 8 minus 2 is 6. 4 minus 1 is 3. So what is your answer? 36. Understood? So we'll go through last example. That is, see here again division is there and only multiplication is there. So you have to do first division. So 20 multiplied by 5 minus answer is 100 divided by 100 is 1. So 20 multiplied by 5 is 5 2s are 10 and minus 1. So answer is 99. So understood students? Today you have to solve this example in your classwork notebook, and remaining example, that is from exercise 2.3, you have to complete remaining examples. Thank you. Have a nice day.